Well, I was sitting in the truck working on estimates and spreadsheets, just taking care of business, and I'm looking to make sure I'm good to get out the door, thinking that I'm going to be back to pick the truck up after my ride gets here. And no, I thought he was kidding. He said he'd be done, have me done by about 10:30. Well, yeah, this side's done. Again, it's not a full wrap. It's just basically a section of logos to be able to catch easily driving down the road. Backside's done. And he's working on this and had to stop to get some stuff unloaded. He'll be working on that, and we'll be out of here shortly. I mean, it's this is just one of the bays they can work on stuff. They got a trailer in here already getting stuff done. Of course, my truck, it's a small job. It'll be done. I mean, literally, I got here at 9:15, and we're probably 10:15, so an hour. We'll be out here pretty quick. Large facility, different bays, storage area, front sales section here. A lot going on right now, so check them out. Clifford Signs. And it's cliffordsigns.com, I believe, is what the... here, let me check right here. I got the card. Yep. And where's the address? cliffordsigns.com. Check them out. Wrap this one up. I probably won't do a final video, just doing this one here right now real quick. And actually, I'm going to be productive. I was planning on this being here all day, trying to get taken somewhere, get brought back. But no, we're going to have a productive day today. Guys are working down in Sheridan. Small job, shift over to another mid-sized job. Knock both those out today. Planning on rain tomorrow. And then Friday, we're going to try to kick off a 2-day job, 2-layer tear-off, 60, upper 60, low 70 square. Call it a weekend. As usual, family day for me Saturday, Sunday, because there's days I work on rain days where they're not going to do an install, but I'll be out doing estimates, getting soaking wet. So my schedule's a little bit different than the install guys, but very productive day. Hoping to wrap up in 2 more weeks. I know I keep saying that. 2 more weeks, we're going to start winding down. We're going to get a cold punch in the face tomorrow. It's going to be stormy and overnight lows in the 30s for like the next week. So yeah, wake up call here in central Indiana. But Clifford Signs, check them out. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you then.